Hello everybody, today we're going to be showing you how we roast our pumpkin seeds for snacking. The reason why we don't buy it outside the house is because we want to make sure we're using healthy salts, which is sea salt and Himalayan salt. We don't really know what they're using from the store. So first we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt into 2 cups of water and mix. Then you're going to pour that on top of your seeds and mix that around as well. Then you're going to add all of that, just pour it straight onto the pan, including the water, no need to strain, and just even that out to make sure it's relatively flat across the entire pan. And you're going to stick that into the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit to make sure that it doesn't burn. And you're going to take it out halfway through, about an hour, and I believe mix it around a little bit more. Then you're going to put it back in. After another hour, you can finally take it out and it should be this nice golden color. And we hope you enjoy. It's very good. You can eat it all the time. Happy snacking. Happy pumpkin eating. Bye.